As the first official working visit of the Acting Inspector General of Police, Ibrahim Idris, to any state after his appointment. Here at the Police Mobile Force Training College, Ila, OSUN State, he presided over the passing out parade of 59 squadron commanders and urged officers and men of the force to brace up to tackle emerging national security challenges.
All the whole team that are facing the arc of fires, you must step up. Fire and movement, one group giving protective coverage. The forward, the level them to suppress the attack. Giving covering fire the ground, allowing the other team to withdraw. Reducing information, all the whole teams are seen together. At each point, to repel attack. The commander is telling them to form.
The police boss informed the gathering of his resolve to reclaim the police training camp in Goza, taken over by Boko Haram insurgents.
You know, Goza has been taken over by these useless people some days, weeks earlier. Though the military has entered that place, but we are trying to create a place, a situation where we have more training facilities to enhance the capacity of our boys. So we are trying to take over, because I think I read last week, they say Goza, Madagali stroke Pulka, that's where our camp is located. The road is open now, even to traffic. So we are going to enter there to take over that training facility. So it will be an addition to this facility, because we have almost 50, how many squadrons? Where are TVC? 60 squadrons. I know one facility will not be enough. We have to expand the facilities. And obviously money is a bit scarce now, sir. So we use what we have. So that we have more people trained, we have more people capacitated to do their job.
He also speaks on his plan to tackle communal clashes and cattle rustling.
During my inaugural speech, I highlighted our policies and policy direction of this administration. One of those is that we are trying to set up eminent persons and stakeholders in each state. And I mentioned in that speech that we call on the support of the state governments. We are going to liaise with them. So, we want solutions to come from the community themselves. Because these are brothers. Whether they are husbands, whether they are brothers, it's a disagreement within the same family. We are trying to have a situation where you have a mutual solution to family issues. And that's, in fact, we are going to liaise with the state government to form these eminent persons or stakeholders in each state. And we are going to use them in most of the mediation, in much of this conflict that is happening over the country, whether religious or tribal or whatever.
OSUN State Governor Rauf Aregbesola, who expressed his confidence in the ability of the squadron commanders to face security challenges, urged them to give community policing top priority.
The success of every police formation is how well integrated it is with the community. So the word of community policing will mean nothing if you are isolated and alienated from your community. Please, wherever you are, struggle for a strong bond between you and the community. It is through that you can effectively police. I'm not here to lecture you. I'm just simply stating what my own experience as a governor has taught me. I won't take your time. I pray that our nation overcomes our challenges, and those of us in charge of the maintenance of law and order will live up to our expectations.
Fundamental human rights, obstacle course, drills, range practice, combat craft, written examination, endurance strength of jungle survival, individual seminar presentation, among other things, while it was asked. The relationship between the officers and the instructors of the college and the course participants remain cordial.
The 3-week training is intended to prepare the participants effectively for the challenges associated with their roles as squadron commanders in combating crime. Ibrahim Alige, TVC News, Ila, OSUN State.